Nerf gun bullet. What? What? Talking shit, huh? Oh, talking shit, motherfucker. Come on, we gotta do now, huh? I got a laser in this damn gun. Look at that laser. Look, what? Huh? Oh. Oh, motherfucker, I got the gun now, huh? What now, huh? What now, huh? Ooh, oh shit. Oh fuck, I gotta go to school. Hand me over that Nerf gun, okay? Why? Simon Nerf gun. Okay. Hey, ass wipes, I'm back. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, bitch, we got you now, huh? We got you now. Get Big Bird and Rexy in the house. We got the Nerf gun now, huh? What's so tough now, huh? Do something. You don't got a gun, all you got is a little backpack of yours. Hey Rexy, I'm gonna rape this fool right now, okay? I'll be